Okay guys, Carty and Carty back at it again guys with another repair video. This time it's a TARAMPS Smart 3. Yep. Alright. Smart 3 power control system 1, that little sign dash 2 ohms. So yeah. They put it dash as a little AC sign for AC voltage sign. I don't know why they do that. That little wave in it. And oh well, something was going on right here. Something was shorting out to this amp. Mostly that's why it's in protection mode. Something shot out to the ground. I didn't see this before. As you could see, sparks right there. And the input wire, the output, speaker output, positive terminal was melting. Normally I would see the negative side melting. I don't know, something was up with this amplifier for sure. And even here with this side, the negative side of this one too, of the power input, yeah, negative side was melting. So what I suggest, this amplifier is in protection mode. One of the way I see these go in protection mode is like when this light comes on, it stays on. But in this case, this amplifier didn't do that. So I suggest it in protection mode because it's not power on. It runs up, go back down, and these are like lighting, but they barely you could see it. It's like, not bright enough. So I figure out it's in protection mode. That's another way of it being in protection mode. All right, so let me start taking apart this. I hate to use this to remove this. Oh, that's one of the reasons why I hate doing this with this. Alright, use this one. Power supply. That blue there. Output section. Try not to make any of these screw touch the terminal of these MOSFET. The capacitors may still be charged. Alright. Input screws out and for the output, speaker output section, remove terminal, remove these 2 screws, and that's all I'm going to remove from here. Then we go to the other side. It's the power supply side. Remove these screws here. Wow, why did that have to happen? Oh man. Soldering. Just need to go a little. As usual, these fan doing a lot of dust. As you can see here guys, a lot of dust here and here. You can see a lot of dust. Guys, sorry if you have a fan in the background, noise in the background. That's a fan. I have a big fan. It's really hot here in Florida, that's why I've got fan on. If it's too annoying, let me know guys. If it's too loud, if it's blocking the audio, let me know. So I can just turn it off whenever I'm going to do something, and then yep, I will do that for you guys. Alright, so hand is, let's see if it's what it is. It's not enough. Oh yeah. Side, that side, that side. So let's remove the fan. Piece of, and from looking at this, I'm sure guys, there's something. This is like smoke. You could see like something was burning. You could see it even on my finger. Some amplifier burned up right beside this one, or something goes on. But something was smoking. Well, let me take this apart and see what's going on. Right guys, give me a minute, I'll be back. Okay guys, from what I'm seeing here, you could see this area right here suffer a lot of stress. You could see that, you know, it's the discoloration of the circuit board. Yeah, right in the power supply section. Yeah. So what I'm good, this I'm gonna have to solder this. I plug in the big solder hand that I have here, 150 watt. Yeah, this is going loose. You could see the solder melt away from this terminal, which is the same one that was melting. Yeah, that's yep, that's the negative terminal, and come right up here to this one MOSFET here. I don't know if you guys can see, but you could see like it was, you know, when the solder was boiling and then it shrink or some. You're not, yeah, you guys are not gonna see clearly. Yeah. I'm gonna solder along here this transformer leg right here, and I'm gonna replace all of these MOSFET. Yeah, I'm going to replace this power supply MOSFET definitely. And this power supply MOSFET that this one uses the STP 180 for STP 180 N4F6. Okay guys, yeah, and yeah, this was on the last stress. Even the gate resistors are black. Yeah, they're burned, they look burned, so definitely yep, definitely. Let me check and see if they're reading proper, if they're giving me the proper holes. Let me just put that beep for now. Yeah, that's a 240. Yeah, 4.7. Yeah, these are the 4.7, 4R7, and still 4.7 all resistors, guys. Yeah, all of them are reading, but they are discolored. So I'm going to replace these STP 180 N4F6 with the regular 1404. Guys, let me see if I find 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. So find 8 of the same batch here. So the batch I'll be using, guys, is this batch here. I'll give you guys a little close up of the batch, back and front. You guys can see. Alright. So there's 8 of them, so yeah. And I'm also gonna replace this IC right here, guys, which is So make sure get my little scope here. So this is 27.324, 27.324, guys. It's the same as the IR 4427S, and it's the same as let me see, the same as the, what's the number again? I don't remember. It's the same as the 27.524 too. So yeah, you can't go wrong. So definitely I'm going to have to replace those. Yeah. These MOSFETs are reading fine, guys. So power supply MOSFET reading fine. I told you pause on, but yeah, something is wrong somewhere. And these go through a lot of stress, so I'm gonna remove them first. Yeah. Start fresh with the circuit. Alright, guys, I'll be back in a minute. So okay, guys, I removed the little, I'll call it switch IC in the power supply right here. So see if I find one of those 27.324. And this, guys, I found one. A little one right here. Yeah. Alright, show you why I installed one. You go that way to that side. So I would do this, guys. I have a little thing here, guys. Liquid solder. What I do, I put some, not a lot, just a little bit on here. Oh yeah, that's enough. This thing work miracle out, guys. It's like that. Looks, see that? Yeah. It's liquid solder. Alright. I will do something like this here. Put it right where it's supposed to go. And then I try to catch one leg. Okay. Right, guys, you can, yeah, I don't have a camera that zooms in, you'd see what I'm talking about here, and that thing works wonders. Right, a little bit. You don't want to put too much, guys. It's really strong. Yep, that's enough. That's more than enough. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm gonna put this iron across all 4 pins on this side. Yep, okay, come back here. That works. Yep. And all 4 pins on this side. Looking good. I go through one by one. Yep. So guys, I'm going to install some MOSFET now. So I'm going to definitely have to do a part 2 of this, so that when I upload my video it's not too long. Why do I install it like this? Yep. I could solder from here on the top just to keep it and place it just like original, you know. A little piece of the pin behind here, and you sit flush the circuit board, you know. You have a little rising right there, so you can sit. Yep. And basically that's it, guys. So I'm gonna install these, get back to you guys, let you guys know if all is well, if it's really to move. I'll know by the way it pours on if the light stays the same or what happened. Yeah, and these are the 1404 guys. Again, I'm using to replace the 180 in 4F6. So the side on this side too. You can solder from above or you can solder from behind. So just like that, guys. So I'm show you a little bit of what I'm soldering here, guys. So got the solder work. So see you guys on the next video, guys. So definitely see you on part 2 of this video. So Carty and Carty out for now. Alright, guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, please subscribe, and if you like what you see, and give me a thumbs up. Alright, stay tuned for part 2 of this video.